Alright guys, we're back. Today I'm just showing off my BBK that just came in today from Japan. So what we got here is Ideal is what the brand is called. For anybody who follow me on IG, I ran these brakes before on my Honda Odyssey. I had a right-hand drive Honda Odyssey, and I went with this same company. So this time they'll be for my Soarer. Don't mind the noise in the background. I'm watching UEFA Champions League soccer for anybody who follow soccer. So yeah, anyway, so these are the fronts. 6 spot. Those are the fronts and rotors. Now there's a little issue here because I ordered slotted rotors, not drill rotors. I don't like drill rotors because they show the dirt very easily. Rust, when it starts to get rust and dirty, it doesn't look good in my opinion. But yeah, I mean, I might just stick with them, but yeah, I'm not a fan of slotted rotors. So yeah, that's the rotors right there. Then so these are the fronts. And these are the rears. I just opened one box of each. And then these right here are the rear calipers, and these are 4s. So 4s. And then we got the 6 over there. Brake lines. I think the rotors are, yeah, 330, 32 millimeters. And these are the rear ones. So rotor size, it's the same all around. Just bigger calipers in the front, smaller calipers in the back. And yeah, these will be for my Soarer. That's it. A pretty good brand. Like I said, I've used them before, never had a problem. They'll bolt right up to the car. As you can see right there, they're specifically made for the Soarer. 91 to 2000. Also got me, these are tire covers actually. These I actually bought not locally, but these are from Evasive Motorsports. So it's kind of, you put your rim with the tire, they'll fit in here. I think they fit up to 21 inches. So yeah, 21 inches with tires. They'll fit in here. They're like tire bags, or I don't know what they call them, but yeah, to fit your tire and your rim. Pretty much cover them up and carry them around. So yeah, that's what those are. Those are 4. It's a set of 4. That's all I got. So yeah. put these up here so you guys can see how they look together. There. 4 and 6. Same size rotor all the way around. So yeah, I'm only home for a day, so I figured I'd do a quick video. Still haven't gotten a chance to start working on the car yet, but hopefully sometime soon. I'm still working out of town, so I don't have the time right now. Yeah, there we go. Hopefully sooner than later, be able to get these on the car and see how they look. But yeah, if you guys are interested in ordering these, they pretty much make for any car you can think of. They can make it. I'll put the link in the bio, in the description below whenever I upload this. So alright, see you guys later. Peace.